Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is the very first video for this channel. My name is Troy and this is Maine Sawyer. We're going to buy a sawmill right now. We're on our way. So let's go. So here she is, boys. The Big Red. Brandy new. And she's 24 feet long. Got a Honda GX390 on it, electric start. All right, let's load her up. So she's all hooked up. We're almost halfway home. But yeah, you can see it back there. She's following me. So we're all ready to go. And before we start this video, I know we're ready, well, pretty much at the beginning. If you're thinking about buying a sawmill, now is the best time to do it. We're in June of 2022, and there's a wood shortage, or well, basically wood's expensive. So just to give you a heads up, I do marketing for a large car dealership. So I've learned a lot of different things over the years. So I started marketing this a month and a half ago, and I'm just getting it now. And for a month and a half, I've been getting phone calls every single day. And if you want to learn how to do that, just yeah, get a hold of me. Go to the website, mainsawyer.com, and send me a message. I'll put something together. It works for any business. But yeah, I put my, I'll give you a hint, Google my business. So if you go to business.google.com, create a business on there. And I did that, and within 4 hours, I had people calling me for wood. And like I said, every single day, I get people calling for wood. So, yeah, I'm going to drive home now, and I'll bring you guys back when I get home to set this up. So she's home. I don't know if I mentioned, I may have. It's 24 feet long. The axle is a single axle. So it's pretty easy to haul. As you can see, 24 feet, so it's about, minus the wheels, about 10 feet behind. So you just have a large towing. Yeah, no, what am I talking about? A large swing in the back. So if you get one, it's a large swing in the back, but it's not bad. It does my Ford Edge, which is over there. It's what I hauled it back with. It's a little bit, it's weird. It's a little bit heavier than my boat, but it hauls pretty good. You can definitely feel it back there when you hit bumps and stuff. It does a little, but other than that, not that bad. But I'm going to get to leveling this thing, and I'll bring you back and we'll check it out. Huh, what's coming up the driveway? Okay, day one. She's a little jumpy. Look what you did. Actually, you turn it back on, put the bucket down.
Well, why would he rip up the yard? That's not very nice.
Right.
So we're gonna go in there, find a tree. You guys wanna go? And this is for the lights up here. So I came in here really quick yesterday And down here I had all my grass clippings, so I picked them up and moved them. Get a nice big tree there. That's not coming down though. Let's see. Now, did I mention this is basically, I'm going to say this is my first day on the job? And yes, I know there is no bar to pull down or seatbelt. So, just going to be easy. Yeah, this is light as turd. Well, it'll give me something to cut. That tree's been there, oh, maybe 6 years. But now I have plenty of room to go up there. There's some really dead trees that I need to push over. I'll do that. We're gonna cut this first before I play. But I want to make this, my son has a dirt bike. I want to make this so he can go up there too. Alright, let's go back and put this on the sawmill. So, if I should, first time cutting, I don't want to be cutting in anything that I'm supposed to. Well, of course I can't do it from over here. let me go over a few things here. I'm done cutting this one, and I'll show you why. I'm going to try to find a better tree to cut. Now, I want to get it on this video. Well, let me just show you a few things. A lot of the issues I'm having with, you have these stops here, which is supposed to stop the wood, which is cool. But this is exactly the same as this. So, if you look down here, if we have any bows, like this one I couldn't go past, it's sticking out, I can cut that, that's fine. But as you can see, all this, I can't do. I know the whole flipping thing, maybe do it 90 degrees, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. The easiest way to line up wood. And this one here is, let's see how big this is. 5 feet. Maybe my math is wrong. The other one's bigger. I don't know. So yeah, this one here I'll just put to the side. Cut this up. This isn't going to be any for any wood anyway because it's too rotted. And I need to find a place to put all this stuff. I know I can put it in a fire barrel or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But so that's one issue that I've run into. The second one of the other things I've run into, there's no clearing path. I've seen other ones where they have a wire come down or something that clears this off. And the reason being is because all that, when I throw it off, and this one here could be just because I had bark on it and it just fell and it was in the track, so I couldn't push it any further. So I had to clear the track. That's no biggie, but so that, let me show you this here, how I'm measuring it. So I believe this is as low as it'll go. I have to double check on that. That's just, that 4 there is just, if you cut it here, you can have a 4 inch. Anyway. So the way I'm doing it is, if I want a 4x4, I use this 4 here. And when I cut here, and I cut here, that'll be a 4 inch. So say if I want an 8 inch, how'd you guess? Okay, I cut here and then down here to make it 8 inch cant. Same thing. This here is this magnet? It is magnet. Oh well. So I'll just have to double check on that. I haven't figured the whole thing out. Let's say if I wanted 1/8, I use the this 1 1/8. So yeah, no, this is a 1/8, and then this is 1 1/8. The actual blade is an 1/8 inch thick, so you would use this one here if you want 1/8. If you want, like, you know, whatever. So I'll tell you more when I learn more. But so yeah, this is how you do your measurements. This white one here, this is how far your blade is up. So like right here, let me just do a measurement. I'll put it on. So 7, as you can see, it's right on the 7. Now if I can find my tape measure. Oh, look, it's right here. You guys were looking at it the whole time. Let's see if I can stick you here for a minute. So 7 inches is going to be, come on, from there to there. So that's 7 inches. I know it's off 1/8. But that, yeah. Anyways, so that is the 7 inches. So what you do, you're at 7 inches. So if this is a, anyways, yeah, I'll go through more. Anyway, so 7 inches. So if I want, once I cut this to 7 inches, then I would use whatever I want over here to figure out how big of a piece of wood. And I cut myself. I have no idea why. That's not cut. That is actually red paint. Yeah, red paint came off there. So yeah. So it does have an hour meter on it. And you can see that it's been used for 1/2 hour. So you know how, you know that, yeah. So it goes through that. I have to figure out, my next step here is I have to figure out why the water's not coming out. So this is a quick disconnect. You can see there's plenty of water. I did have this open. If I leave it open like that, that way stuff can go in there. And this is open, as you can tell this here. See, it's on, off, on. So it's full on. That's where the water comes out, but nothing's been coming out. And this is the trigger. Then nothing's coming out. Water should be coming out of that, but it's not. I know this wood is really, really wet because it rained, so I wasn't too concerned. So yeah, let me do some stuff, and I'll bring you guys back. Oh, by the way, let me know if you want to watch more of that, if you want to watch more of this, if you want both of them. I don't know. This is my first video, so don't yell at me too hard. I know a lot of the safety people out there is going to tell me I need stuff. Go ahead, I appreciate it. You put it down there, tell me what I need.